everybody and welcome to today's tapping session. This tapping session is going to be focused on feeling loved, worthy and knowing that romance is on its way to you. Knowing that the love you want is already here, it's already happening. And this tapping session is included in my new Manifest Love course, the Love Formula. The Love Formula is exactly what it says on the tin. It's a step-by-step guide on how to manifest in the love you've always wanted, how to get yourself into alignment with the relationship of your dreams. So this is the type of work we're going to be doing. We are going to be completely dropping the old story when it comes to love, rewriting it and programming in the new one, stepping into that energy, that embodiment of you being loved, cherished and adored. I have linked the course below. I would love to have you in there. So we're going to be moving from the old story into the new story. Even though I have a negative story about love and relationships, I am choosing to love and accept myself. Even though I'm holding on to past experiences, even though I'm holding on to old stories, I am choosing to love and accept myself. Even though I might be afraid of love, maybe because things I've experienced in the past, or maybe things I've watched growing up, I am choosing to love and accept myself. My old story with love feels really hard to let go of. It's been there for such a long time. I really struggle to see how I can feel differently about love and relationships. I've had so many horrible experiences. Whether that's with how somebody has treated me, or maybe things I've watched either in my own life or in other people's lives when it comes to love and relationships. It feels so heavy in my body. I have internalized so much of this stuff. I can't seem to let it go. And I want to let it go so badly. I've got negative beliefs about love. I've got negative beliefs about having love. I've got beliefs about me not deserving love, about not feeling chosen, not feeling wanted. And I'm really struggling to let them go. And even though logically I know I don't deserve to feel this way, there is some part of me, maybe that's trying to protect me, that is holding on to these stories. Because the tighter I hold on to them, the less likely it is that I am going to attract love. I know I can't hold on to these feelings, these beliefs, these assumptions, and have the love I want at the same time. Even if I manifested this love in, if I still had these beliefs, I'd sabotage it. Or I wouldn't be able to relax because I'd keep wondering when it's going to leave me. So really manifesting it in from these beliefs would be pointless. But I really want love. I'm honest about it. I really, really want love. I see other people have it. And sometimes that makes me sad. But deep down, deep down, under all these experiences, under all these stories that I keep telling myself, the negative stories, I know I deserve love. I know I deserve love. I really, really want love. And because I really want love, and I know I deserve it, I am willing to see these stories differently. I am willing to drop these stories when it comes to me not having love, or me being afraid of love. I'm willing to forgive my past experiences because they made me stronger. I'm willing to let go of my past experiences because I know I can't take them with me if I want a healthy relationship. Today, I'm deciding that I'm willing to change the story when it comes to me and love. Because I, above anyone else, deserve fucking love. It's my turn now. Yeah, it's my turn. I deserve love. I deserve love. And I know it's available for me. Even if I convince myself it's not. People get into relationships every single day. There is literally 1,000 ways for me to meet somebody new. I could walk out of my door today and meet someone at the co-op. I could meet someone at the train station. I could meet someone online. I could do what Liv did, and I could meet someone in a rave. I could meet somebody anywhere. Because we live in an abundant universe. There's literally people everywhere. We've got a whole planet full of them. So if I think about it, if I could meet somebody any day now, then I really better clean up my love beliefs. Because I can't have the old story and expect the new one. So I am committed to the new story. Because it is my turn for love. I am committed to seeing my past differently. To seeing that if anybody treated me bad, it's not a reflection of me. I never deserved that. I am not going to continue blaming myself for the bad behaviour of others. Because I have always deserved respect. And I am attracting respect from now on. That is my new love story. I deserve love. I deserve all this love that life has to offer. I am attracting in love right now. I am choosing to know that the love I want is already done. The manifestation is already complete. All I have to do is align myself to it. That's literally all I have to do. I just have to change my assumption on love, and I just have to be consistent with the new story. That I am loved. There is so much to love about me. I am choosing to be chosen from now on. I do the choosing. I am the prize. I am so worthy. And I forgive myself for ever believing I'm not. I know that I am incredible. I am loyal. I'm trustworthy. There is so much about me to love. I would love to be loved by me. I would love to be in love with somebody who is just like me. And I know, because this is the energy that I'm giving out, it is the energy that I'm going to get back. The love that I want wants me in return. The love I seek is seeking me. And I am deciding to open my heart to love. I am deciding to get into receiver mode, and I am deciding to attract love now. The love I want can happen right now. I don't have to be fully healed. I just have to be getting into alignment. I am lovable exactly as I am. I am enough exactly as I am. And the person I am attracting in is going to show me that in every way possible. The person I am attracting in is going to move mountains for me. My dream partner is devoted to me. They adore me. They cherish me. And they are coming into my life right now. In body, mind, and spirit, so it is. Take a deep breath in. You cannot take the old story with you if you want to manifest new love. This tapping session is going to be an incredible way for you to shift those beliefs. Please do it as often as you need to. If you really want to change your story when it comes to love, then please take a look at the Manifest Love course that I've just created, the Love Formula, because this is the majority of the body of work we do in there. It is all about dropping the old story, letting go of the past, and stepping into the version of you that is embodying love, that is being love, that is so in their knowing state of being loved and adored, that love has no choice but to manifest in. That is what we are doing in that course. The link is down below. And I will see you next time for another tapping session.